everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 1st to the 5th of December 2025 on Monday. A chaos brews as Lazarus and Zolega face a rising threat neither can outrun, and he struggle to deal with a new bomb that has just been dropped about a loved one. Hlati goes out of his way to prove what worthy husband he is for Tumeka on Tuesday. Lazarus unravels as Zolega's truth weighs heavily on their future. Hlati's jealousy threatened to open old wounds in the Mavandla home. Mawethu senses a shift he can't explain or escape on Wednesday. Mawethu feels himself slipping from favor as Lazarus spirals. Zolega fights to hold her relationship together at an impossible strain. Kawe's worry for her mother grows as she hides her own distress on Thursday. Lazarus' concern or corners Mawethu for the truth he refused to let go of. Tension rises as Mawethu fears his past will cost him everything. Likamva and Zethu takes a brave step toward something real on Friday. Zolega and Lazarus find their way back to each other amid rising danger. Kawe's night spiral into a moment that changes everything. Mawethu's relief turns to horror when passion ends in crisis. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.